Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today, I will show you how to bridge in Minecraft Pay Mobile. Make sure when you put blocks are 1 meter away from you. Like this. Then long press the place item, and while you long press it, just move forward.
Let's do it again, but slowly.
And don't do this. It will block you. Just put it far away from you. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you play easy. Please don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.